Here is example F. So if you have been working on condensing and you are ready to do this in one step, I can see that this will be the log base 2 of my first two arguments multiplied together. So I am going to put x times x minus 3. And then my subtraction is going to cause a quotient. So over x plus 2, and that is going to be equal to 2. Okay, if you are ready to go right there, by all means, please do. If you aren't ready, you hopefully would see that the first two expressions, we're going to use the product property and get x times x minus 3 minus the last expression. Okay, and then condensing these two would become the quotient. So next, we are just going to use the definition of a logarithm. 2 to the 2, I'm going to simplify that as 4 is equal to, I'm going to simplify here as well. X times x is x squared minus 3x over x plus 2. Okay, again, I have a rational expression, so I'm writing this as a fraction, and I am cross multiplying. I'm going to start doing this in my head as well. 4 times x is 4x. 4 times plus 2 is plus 8 is equal to x squared minus 3x. Okay, because 1 times anything is itself. Next, I want to get this in standard form. I always want to keep my x squared positive. So I'm moving over this 4x, I'm subtracting 4x from both sides, and I get negative 7x. I'm subtracting 8 from both sides, I'm getting negative 8, and I'm left with a 0 on the left. Next, I am factoring. I am looking for two numbers that multiply to negative 8 and add to negative 7. My numbers are negative 8 and plus 1. So now when I solve these, I get x equals 8 or x equals negative 1. When I look at my original problem, I can check to see if 8 is going to be okay there. I can check to see that 8 is going to be okay there. I can check and see that 8 is going to be okay there. Okay, and then I can check the whole expression. Right away, I can see I cannot take log base 2 of a negative argument. So this negative 1 right away is going to be extraneous. So next, I want to do a check of my x equals 8. So log base 2 of 8 minus 3 is 5, plus log base 2 of 8 minus log base 2 of 7. We want to see if that's equal to 2. Sorry guys, I am making mistakes all over the place today. First of all, you couldn't even see what I was writing. And second of all, this should not be a 7. 8 plus 2 is 10. So I apologize for that. Okay. So I am going to use the properties of logs and see what I can do here. So log 2 of 5, I can't simplify. Okay, so I am going to say log base 2 of 5 and log base 2 of 8 combined to be condensed to be log base 2 of 40 minus log base 2 of 10. We're still wondering if that's true. I get log base 2 40 divided by 10 is going to be 4, and log base 2, so 2 squared is 4, so this checks. Okay, so my solution for this one is x equals 8.